Hey everybody, it's Ty from K2 Data Science and Engineering. In this video, we are going to wrap up the series. I hope you enjoyed learning about Python, web scraping, computing analytics, front-end design and development, and deploying web applications. We barely scratched the surface, but you should have a good idea about how a data-driven product or service is built one step at a time. I want to show you what the next steps might look like if you wanted to create a more production-level pipeline. Just to recap, this is our current basic pipeline. So we start by downloading the articles, then parsing the content, then computing analytics, storing the data in JSON, and then presenting that data using Flask. Making this production ready really means automating the entire process and putting it on the cloud. We would want to host all our code on cloud servers so we don't have to worry about leaving our computer on. We can start by having a cron job scheduled every week to check the blogs of our competitors. We'll also want to modify our code to only check for new articles, rather than downloading the entire blog again. You'll want to have error logging, in case an article doesn't have a certain piece of information, and you would also have to decide how to represent that in your dataset. As far as analytics go, you could dive much deeper into the text, like examining words per sentences, reading level, creating topic models, and much more. You would definitely want to keep a copy of the raw data in a flat file like JSON, but you would need to store the data in a relational database as well, so anyone can access it, and applications can simply query the database rather than hard-coding a reference to the flat files. Last but not least, you'd want to make the dashboard more dynamic, either with additional Flask routes or JavaScript. You'd probably want to give the end user the ability to aggregate and filter certain sections of the data. This would require you to query the database on the fly and update changes right away. Thanks again for watching this series. I'll be creating a variety of project walkthroughs exploring small, medium, and big data engineering. So subscribe and stay tuned for something new every week.